Okay, so we're going to do a quick intro on how to install the water softener device under the sink. There's two ways to do this. If you have access and enough room for this cold water line, especially if you have a shut-off valve like this one, then usually you would have the T going to your tap, your regular non-filter tap. It would come through a pressure reduction valve, and then it would go into the filter, out of the filter, and then up to the hose. So we can take this off, which I've removed previously to make this easier to show, and then there'll be a O-ring in both ends, and we'll screw one end like that. I won't fully install it because there may not be room for me to show you. And then to connect these two guys together, we're going to need an adapter, which is this one here. And again, you're going to have an O-ring in the other end, an O-ring in this end, so you don't need Teflon tape when you have O-rings. That's going to be like that. They'll sit up like that and be installed. And what that will do is the water running from here up to your tap and through the filter is now going to have the hardness removed because it's running through this device. And of course your tap will have the same thing, and that way you've got both of them having the water hardness removed. You never have to refill it or service it. It just sits there and protects your Kangen from scale buildup, and that's how you install it under the sink. More details can be found on our website.